So we're having an open discussion about a 2019 BMW X3 X-Drive 3.0 all-wheel drive.
It's actually an X5.
X5?
X5.
Oh, sorry.
Put the VIN in.
Oh, X5. And this is the lower radiator shutter. And we did the upper a few weeks ago, and now we're doing the lower. So Caleb said, is there a shortcut? No.
Nope.
Take the whole bumper cover back off and go at it. So we're both advising, if you're doing one, do them both, the upper and lower at the same time. Save yourself a bunch of headaches and a potential comeback at the same time.
And that's really it. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get the bumper cover off.
Once you get the cover off, that's the hardest part, right? Is figuring out all this shit to get it apart.
Because there's two bolts inside the fender liner on both sides of the bumper that screw it into the fender.
Yeah.
On both sides.
That's the way it is. You know, they could have just made the front grill and trim piece come right out so you can just access everything, but that would be too easy. All right, thanks for watching.